You know what the heck just happened to OMEX? Did it just freaking crap its pants in the last couple minutes? Like, holy crap, I have never seen price action that freaking weird. Like, you could look at the 1 minute candle. This is how weird it was. $5 to 66 cents. Okay, thank you for investing in our company. No halt down or nothing. Um, did it halt down? Not that I'm aware of. I mean, it happened so fast, but $5 and then poof, 40 cents. Okay. All right, let's do an analysis on this. Obviously, I would never get trapped in this loop here because for my system, we only buy at the ATR4, and that's where we at right now. Obviously, you don't just get in on the first red candle, but I will show you guys what this could resemble and what I think it could. A perfect example of what I think could happen is WTO. Obviously, we are more sold. If you look at WTO, though, we did have one big candle down, and we had this dead cat bounce. And if you went to the intraday time frames, this thing was a very big move before the reverse split. I think it went from like 5 cents to 13 cents. It went well over 100% here. But you won't be able to see that on the daily because it went down after that. But I think that's kind of the same thing we're going to get for OMEX. This thing is more oversold. As you can see, we're clearly pending trading the HR4, and we're actually under it. This is probably one of the best dead cat bounces stocks that I've seen everywhere that I see. Obviously, there's going to be massive volume. Shorts took control of this. But wow, that was absolutely crazy. 1 minute, poof, you went from $5 to 40 cents in just a couple minutes here. So here's what I think is going to happen here. So as you can see, the three middle bands are the EMAs. I'm on a 1 minute time frame. You can see how prices kind of correlate back up to these, right? Price is going to correlate to these. And if you're looking at these data price ranges here, let's just say, to the 20 is a 43% move. It can absolutely do that. Just to this HR4 is the 7. As you can see, indicators lag. So when as you can see, like the three middle bands are your EMAs. Those are always your price targets. And I would not even come close to aiming for any of these. I think the most consistent return would be probably an ATR4 coming back up to here, which is a very big gain if it does. If we go from the low of this candle to this green band here, that's 122% gain. I wouldn't doubt it. I saw WTO did it. I would not doubt it. And if we're looking at the 5 minute candles, we're well below the green band. And as you can see, it's so extremely oversold that the EMA 5 is under it. So, and then the 30 minute. So everything is due for like some kind of rally. What I think is we're going to consolidate for a bit here. We're going to consolidate a lot, let the bands come kind of closer in and conform where the EMA 5 gets above the green band, and then the EMA 10 is right up in here. But I do think if you want an easy 10 to 20% bounce, this is your dead cat bounce right here. I think this is your best one here, and I think it has way more room up, but nobody can for sure say it's going to go to this price, this, and that. My targets is definitely for a short term is the ATR4. It has 119% room up. If it don't hit it tomorrow, it's probably going to go down a little and circulate with the price. It'll probably go to 94% and then 80, 70, 50. But either way, you have massive room up to that area, and this is a very good dead cat bounce play. So yeah, we're well under the ATR4. It is a little riskier because we're not using time distance. If you look at my regular strategy, I'd like to wait about 7 daily candles of when not hitting this EMA 5. So if I did play this, it would be just a, look, I would look at the 1 to 5 minute and I'd be like, okay, right in this area here, you kind of see it, calming down. I would love for just an area of just from here to here. Look at that, 54% return to that 20. I think we could definitely get an easy 30% and then kind of recircumvent it. But you want to see what tomorrow happens. Obviously, don't ever go all in on these plays. Look at it tomorrow because as you can see, I've seen EJH. You gotta be very careful. Look at this big candle down. Everyone probably was like, "Oh my gosh, let's get in on it." And guess what happens the next day, guys? It goes down even more. So I don't want this for, obviously there's probably in here where you can intraday it. But as you can see, and then after that second daily candle, there was your dead cat bounce. So if you look at this from the lows to the highs, this was a nice, beautiful return. And this is kind of what I'm suspecting. That was a 62% gain from this candle to this candle. And that's very conservative. I think, it's very conservative. And as you can see, you're going to get your dead cat bounce, but you don't want to get caught off guard on OMEX. I truly think you'll get a dead cat bounce. So as you can see, we're clearly under the ATR4. It can go a little under, it can do another day like under it, but then you have that dead cat bounce, and then if you look at EJH, what happens is over time and time you slowly curl and you start curling up, and that's kind of what I'm going to see with OMEX. Remember, the first day of the candle is always risky. You let this daily candle and let it end its day. Look at intraday time frames and see that reversion to the mean. The reversion to the mean, and here we go already. That reversion to the mean is going to be your EMA 20. The 1 minute will hit this right here. That will be hit. That 1 minute will be hit right there. And then after that, we go to the next time frame. It can go down, and then we look for the 5 minute. The 5 minute will hit that 20. And then you go to the 30 minute. And you see how the pattern goes. Daily is going to be a whole lot longer. This could take 2 months. It could take a 1 month. It's more inconsistent. So if you're going to swing trade this, you need to wait a couple of days. But also, if you're going to want that dead cat bounce, I think this is a very big candle. Look at this already from the lows of 43 cents all the way to the high. You're already up 27% here, guys. This is a very nice room. I think you can easily get a 50% return, and then I would easily take an intraday time gain from that. All right, guys, for the daily, though, I do think it's going to get a dead cat bounce. I stand true to this. I've seen this pattern happen a lot. Big move down, you touch the ATO4, and then it comes back up. All right, guys, you guys want to see this system in action, learn this system, get your indicators like this, have a community of traders that spot this out, because I didn't even see this. I looked in the chat and someone said, oh, I'm buying OMEX. And they pinpointed it out and they saw it. I was like looking at it, I'm like, holy crap, the daily's good. The 1 minute was had big, massive time distance, had big room up. So yeah, this was a very beautiful. If you guys love, I know I like to buy stocks that are extremely oversold. I don't like to buy a stock that's up 1,000%. I want to find a stock that went from, no problem, from $5 to 43 cents in a couple minutes, and I see my chart and see what's going on. Obviously, I don't just blindly trade. But if you guys want to see the system, join the premium Discord. It'll say, I'll put in the YouTube comments below and in the description. I'll say, join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. Please read how to subscribe if you have an Android user. You will have to subscribe on your computer or your phone's browser as they fix the Androids. Avoid scammers. I'll never message or DM you first. You can read the testimonies, how a lot of people have been making lots of money. A lot of people have been on fire, transformed red accounts to green. Hit the server shop in the top left, and you'll see we have 2 memberships, Swing Trading and Day and Swing Trading Plus. The Day and Swing Trading Plus is $12 a month, and you have access to all my subscriptions on the left. You get my entries and exits. I look for swing trades that are high valued. I don't want anybody, I wanted to do just the system. I also do day trades, and the reason why I want you guys to consider Day and Swing Trading Plus, what I showed you was an intraday time frame, right? And you can see how price action goes and touches those EMA 5, 10, and 20 faster than like a daily, which is daily is my swing trades. But I use the highest value cap stocks in the world, right? Hold up, let me find my chart. I use the best value cap stocks in the world, or the biggest. So I look at the indexes, I look at the SPY, QQQ, IWM, and then like the big caps like Tesla and NVIDIA. And what I do is I use short-term options, and it's brilliant. And I look for those short-term reversions of the means, and we make 10 to 20% gains very fast. And I'm getting excited watching OMEX. This is getting go, pump. Hit that 20. Oh yeah, that was awesome. All right, but the day trading strategy, it gives you the highest success. It's really awesome. I highly recommend it, guys. It's only $12 a month, and you have access to all these subscriptions here on the left. And if you subscribe on your computer, it'll be a flat rate fee. You'll never get charged more. If you do it on your phone, you have to pay an iOS fee, so do keep that in mind. But I've been in Discords. I've tried every strategy. I've been in Discords. I charge thousands of dollars a year, and they never taught you how to fish. This is more teaching you why to take a trade, why it's good, and all that, and a high probability. Nothing is perfect in trading, but this strategy really works a lot. Get up there. Get up there, OMEX. Hit that EMA 20. All right, so now we're looking at a low of 43 cents all the way to right here is a 40% gain from the lows. I would have taken the 10 to 20%, scale some out, and then go in, hold the rest for the 20 here. But if you guys want to join, you guys are more than welcome to join. It's a nice community. As the premium chat, we definitely called this out over here, so very nice play there. If you guys like the video, give it a like, subscribe, comment. Let's make some money together, guys. Happy trading. Stay blessed, stay humbled, and let's just get high value trades. Stick to the system, stay disciplined, and bam, oh whammy. Look at that. I'm just going to end it like that. All right, guys. Algos took it there, and then they can take it wherever they want after here. I suspect a little move down from that 1 minute here, and then we'll get to the 5 minute, the 15 minute, like I said. So, all right, guys. I'll catch you guys later. Peace out, and let's make some money. I'll be in the Discord if you guys want me. All right, bye.